Hello, this is Kevin Hurley again with Hurley Investments. I've been asked to go over the last trade that we currently were in that was supposed to be my huge moneymaker, where SanDisk was going to go up to at least $135 a share. This is one of the trades I presented to my clientele, something we should get into, something we should be trading, something with great upside potential. And I'm going to introduce you to just how important it is to protect your retirement, to ensure any money you put in the stock market. I don't know about you, but I hate losing a penny in the stock market, especially when it seems like the market's so manipulated and controlled. I know that if I've got money in there that really I can't afford to lose. I mean, how many times have you been told, only trade in the stock market with money you can afford to lose? Well, you can see someone that's willing to and or can afford to lose money in the stock market. There's so many other things that can be spent on than paying it off to someone in the stock market. Here's SanDisk. I took this screenshot here a couple days ago. Literally, I expected SanDisk back in July to head to 135 like everyone else thought it was going to. So bought 500 shares, literally spent $52,000 in change on 500 shares of SanDisk at $105.59. I knew it was going to go up. Thank goodness I bought that insurance, because when I got in right there, 2 weeks later, this sucker fell. Had insurance at 105, was willing to sell my stock at a higher price to help pay for my insurance, and that sucker fell all the way down to, if you see that red arrow, all the way down to 95. In fact, it actually fell all the way down to 90. But at 95, I got what I call technical indicators, and I said, all right, looks like it's going back up. It's time to cash in on that insurance. Thank goodness I did. Stock went all the way down to $94.14 a share. My insurance was now worth $10.70. I literally got to buy 100 shares, 100% paid for, and then some, by buying insurance on stock. Started to run back up. I looked like I was in great shape. Next earnings event is coming through. Now it's going to get up to 135. I knew it. And as you look at the chart, it went down again. Come on, stock. Do what you're supposed to do. Stock went down $15.89. I bought that insurance. Bought that insurance now on 600 shares. I had an extra 100 shares. Literally, I was able to book $9,300 by insuring my stock. Kind of funny because the stock was trading at that point a little bit below 90. I got to buy another 100 shares of stock, dollar cost averaging, without at any given time having to go and ask my clientele, hey, do you got another 10 grand you can throw in there so I can buy some more insurance? Good news is, went back up. I'm looking good. But as you take a quick peek at the chart, I've got to protect again. I've got to protect again because we're coming up to another earnings. What happened at that earnings? Well, as we go through, the sucker is killing me. It dropped again. I don't know how many times. I've told them probably 3 times through 3 different earnings events over a 9-month period, this thing should get up to $135 a share. And instead, when I took this screenshot, it's trading just slightly above 80. What a huge loss. Coming from 105 down to 80. We're literally talking about a $25 loss, 23.5% down. This could be catastrophic for some people in their portfolios. This could give people a reason to be out of the stock market and to never have the money they need to retire. Thank goodness I had protection at $95 a share. Bought that insurance. What it meant in real life, you got it. Stock fell down. Long puts are worth $12.60, that insurance. I get to add another 100 shares and still have some cash left over. Here's the short and the skinny of the overview on the trade. When I started out with 500 shares buying at $105.59, I now have 800 shares at a cost basis of $79.36. Or they're worth about $63,712 for a net profit of 14% on a stock that's now down 24.5% or $25.95 from the high. Guys, this is why we trade the way we do at Hurley Investments. This is why we believe it's so important to ensure your retirement No one ever really knows what's going to happen in the stock market. We know how bad it could be in the future as things fall down. What a difference it makes to have peace of mind and be able to sleep at night. If any of this sounds interesting to you, give us a call at 888-287-1030. If you've talked to a registered investment advisor representative for Hurley Investments, give them a quick call. We'd love to sit down and show you what we do and how we do it, what a difference it could make to how you're saving for retirement. Always jump on the website, hurleyinvestments.com. I've got a blog site in the right-hand corner. Go look it through some of the articles that have been published by the NASDAQ, by the New York Stock Exchange. I almost said the New York Times there. If you'd like to get in contact with the customer service, you can always email us, and don't hesitate to jump onto the Twitter link down below. We strongly believe it's important for clientele, for individuals in general, to know as much as they can about the stock market, what's going on and why. I appreciate being here today, and I look forward to our next time when we get to send out another iPod or a video for you. We do hope this was helpful. We look forward to talking to you soon.